She's loving it.
Have y'all been to Worst Fest at all? Did y'all ever go?
That's where my ride was too.
Oh, okay.
Reel. Go, go, go. Reel, dude. You got a big fish. You're doing great. Reel. Keep reeling. It's about to pull him in. Buddy, you got the big fish.
Keep it up. Hold the pole up. Keep reeling.
Press, you gotta see the size of this fish, buddy. Holy smokes.
Let's see if we can get him without him losing him.
Hey, buddy.
P, look at him. Look at that fish.
Oh,
That's as big as you. Get close. I'm just taking a picture.
I don't want to.
It won't get you.